Today, we're installing a tubular lock. Before beginning the installation, we need to adjust the bottom of the exterior handle. To adjust, you will twist it to loosen it, then adjust it to the desired position and tighten it back into place. Now we will ensure the handle aligns correctly and that all required installation holes are present. The main lock mechanism should align with the center hole. If there is no bottom hole, mark the correct spot and drill a 1.5-inch hole. By the end of this step, you should have 3 holes, top, center and bottom. We will now install the deadbolt and latch. The deadbolt can be adjusted. Hold the deadbolt's faceplate firmly in place. With your other hand, rotate the deadbolt body 180 degrees until it stops. To return it back, just repeat the same process. The latch can be adjusted as well. First, locate the S1 toggle. It's this small lever here. Push it up. Next, press down on the 234 button and slide the bolt to the 238 position. Adjust them based on your door's depth. Remember to attach the latch covers before placing and securing the latches. Start with the bottom latch. Now secure in place. Then proceed with the deadbolt, making sure the screw hole faces down when installing. Now secure in place. Now we will prepare the exterior handle. Before installing the handle, we need to insert the spindle into the handle. Then prepare the small cylinder with the appropriate screw. This screw will be the thickest one provided. Place the screw into the cylinder. This will be used to secure the handle. Now, attach the handle to the door and secure it with the cylinder and screw. Now, we will install the lock cylinder. First, attach the washer to the cylinder. Then, adjust the tailpiece based on the thickness of your door. We will insert the cylinder so that it aligns horizontally through the screw hole. Once in position, attach the backplate. Double check that the lock is straight, not tilted or turned. Ensuring all parts are properly aligned. Now we will secure the backplate in place. Partially tighten the screws to hold everything in place. Use the Allen wrench provided to temporarily remove the handle for easier access. Continue partially fastening the screws, allowing room for final alignment. Once everything is aligned, fully tighten the screws to secure the lock. Reattach the handle. Lastly, we will attach the strike plates. Once attached, we will test the mechanism to make sure everything operates smoothly. And that's it. Your tubular lock is fully installed.